Okay, so today's routine is going to be super quick because I'm actually headed to work and I just need to get my eyebrows done. I personally think eyebrows are one of the most important parts of your makeup routine because it doesn't matter how great your eyeshadow is if I don't like your eyebrows. I just want a world where everyone's eyebrows fit their face. I think a lot of people talk about eyebrows that make people look angry, not enough talk about eyebrows that make you look sad. And they, you know, you've seen eyebrows where people look extremely sad. So I like mine softly arched. So right now I'm just going to use the spoolie on the end of my brow definer by ABH in the color Caramel. I know my eyebrows are dark, but you'll see why I use that color in just a second. I'm going to take an angled brush from Royal & Langnickel and I'm going to go into my Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. And I'm just kind of lightly filling that out and defining what my eyebrow shape is going to look like. When I'm filling in with the Dip Brow Pomade, if I make a mistake, if I outline my eyebrow too thickly, I'm not too worried about it because I have concealer. Okay, so I've filled them out, and as you can see I'm currently rocking two different eyebrow shapes, so I'm going to fix that. I'm putting a little bit of this Juvia's Place concealer, and the number is number 14, and I'm putting a little bit on the back of my hand. And so then I'm going to take one of my flat brushes from Juvia's Place and I'm going to go in a little bit with that, and then I'm going to start concealing underneath and then on top. Okay, so now you can see that my eyebrows look much better now that they've been blended. So I'm going to take, remember that brow definer by ABH that I brought up earlier in the caramel color? So I'm going to take that and I'm going to fill in the inner part of my eyebrow just a little bit. I'm going to take the spoolie again and I'm just going to run it over mainly the top, kind of make it look a little more natural. So then, now that my concealer's on and my eyebrows are fully on, I'm going to blend. The last thing that I like to do is make sure that my eyebrows stay in place. I still have eyebrow hair, and sometimes I let them get a little long before I trim them, and so I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel just to make sure that they stay in place. If you guys can't tell, ABH is my favorite brand for brow products. Just all around, they work for me. Okay, and so that is how I do my brows. If you have questions about that, or if there's a product that you want me to try that you're not too sure about trying for your eyebrows, let me know. I will let you know what I think of it. These are just my favorites that I use. I have used other things. I've used e.l.f. brow gel. I've used ColourPop brow gel. I've used a bunch of things that I did not use. These are just my favorites. So let me know what you want me to try and I'll do so. Thank you.